I never made it, but I know what it takes. I'm motivated by a mix of emotion. Got my statement, and I'm...
Hello, dear students. How are you today? I hope that you are so great and you are enjoying your days. So, let's start with our activities of this day. Adverbs. An adverb answers the questions where, when, how often, what extent. Adverbs are normally formed by adding el white at the end of an adjective. Example, quick, quickly. Where, time. Some examples are far, here, nearby. I'm glad my friends live nearby where I can visit them. When, time. Some examples can be yesterday, later, tomorrow. Example, I visited my grandma yesterday. How, manner. Some examples can be fastly, slowly, easily. Example, he runs fastly. How often, frequently. Examples, always, never, rarely. I always take a shower. These are the activities of this day. The first activity is to open your UNO ebook on page 86. In the first exercise, you have to complete the sentences with the words in the box. Example, the hurricane hit quickly. In the second activity, you have to look for the following words and write if it is an adjective or an adverb. Example, quickly, it is an adverb. Careful, it is an adjective. The second activity is to go to Forum 8 and write sentences with the following adverbs. The last activity is to go to Mayon and read the following book. That's all for today. See you tomorrow and have a good afternoon.
I never made it,